So they have themselves a little garden. Looks like they grow some various vegetables in there. They also have a neat little row of grapes. I saw both green and purple grapes. I don't know the proper terminology for any of this, so for those of you that do, I apologize. Mixed inside the grapes, we got some blackberries as well, which if Floyd saw those, he would eat them right. Oh, Floyd's seeing them. He wants to eat them, but we're not going to because they're not ours. So they got their grapevines going. Don't know if they just eat them for the grapes or if they make anything from the grapes, but we can see here that we got some bushels of grapes. I hope that's the right terminology. Both the green variety, and we can see some of the purple ones too. They also have an orchard, and let's see if we can go find some of these trees here. So here we're looking at apple tree. Maybe these are the Red Delicious apples, not really sure, but there's a variety of apple here. Another apple tree here. And they do sell these apples. So if you need some apples, you should come out this way and get some from them. There's also a larger orchard down this way, which we can't see right now because of the fog. Back here, they have their alpacas, and I'm not going to go back there because they do get a little skittish from everything apparently. But we can see them if I zoom in. One's chomping down, just looking at us, watching what we do. They are a skittish breed or animal. I don't want to scare them too much. But they also have a horse that I got to feed this morning, which was pretty cool. So we'll go walk over there and stay at a distance so we don't scare them with the dogs. A beautiful horse that is eating right now. He's got the eye masks on so to keep the flies away, which aren't bad right now because of all this smoke and the fog. But just eating away. A beautiful boy horse. And here we can see more of their orchards. I believe these are all apple trees also. Yeah, these are all apple trees. So back here, we'll see that, I'm not going to go back there again, I don't want to scare them. She's got some goats out here, chomping away at their food that we gave them just about a half hour ago. We got chickens everywhere. They're just free roaming chickens. And because of the fires in the area, she is helping out, and they rehomed these two dogs back here until their parents are able to take them back and go back, hopefully to their house that hopefully did not burn down. So she's helping out some fellow farmers. Here we have some more alpacas, and this one has the mutton chops. I like this one. I like the mutton chops. If you guys are ever in the Salem area or want to come visit, I suggest you give them a call and see if you can come do a little tour. She's the nicest lady ever, and I'm sure she would love to show you her apple orchards and sell you some apples. And if you're in the market for some warm beanies or inserts for your your shoes to keep you warm during the winter, then I highly suggest you come out and get a couple of those made from alpaca fur. Is it fur? Hair? Alpaca hair? So, thanks for watching, and until next time, we'll see you later.